Combination states allow us to tie together all the different aspects of managing visibility of our models. First, let's review the View Manager. To access the View Manager, you can get to it from the In-Graphics toolbar. And right now I am on the Orient tab, where I can switch between some of my different predefined views for the model. From the Simplified Rep tab, I can control how much detail of my components I'm bringing into my session. Right now I'm using the automatic rep, but I can also switch to a custom rep that shows the exterior components, or use another rep for assembling. Let's go back to the automatic rep. We also have cross sections. From the Sections tab, I can change to cross section A and cross section B, and back to no section. From the Style tab, I can change between my different style states. For example, we have one for wireframe housing and another one called Assemble. Let's go back to the master style. The Appearance tab allows us to change between our different appearance states. For example, default appearance and an assemble appearance, where we have different colors and transparencies applied to components. And lastly, the Explode tab allows us to change between our different explode states. For example, default explode or a more customized one. Let's unexplode the components. So the combination state ties all of those together, and the way that you access them is from the All tab. And there is a default all combination state, which uses the defaults of all the different settings from the other tabs. If you want to create your own combination state, you can click on the New button, and then you'll give it a name. I'm going to call this Assemble, and then hit the Enter key. Right now it asks me if I want to reference the originals or create copies of the different saved views, simplified rep, cross-section, style state, appearance state, and explode state that I am currently using. Let's go ahead and reference the originals. And then I'm going to right mouse click on my combination state and choose Redefine. And here in the dialog box, I can choose what I want for my different settings. So let's change to some of the different ones that I created. Let's go with cross-section B, and using my assemble check mark for show exploded. Appearance state. Layer state, I'm not a big fan of layer states. I've had some difficulty with their functionality. So now I will click OK, and it's applied all those different aspects to my assembly. When I click the Close button, you'll notice that I have a tab down at the bottom of the screen for accessing my combination state. The reason I have these tabs down at the bottom of the screen is because of a configuration option that I have set. If I go to File Options Configuration Editor, there's an option called Display Combined Views. Its default value is no, but I have mine set to yes. Another way that you can create combination states is from the Annotate tab. And here you have a combination states group, and you could click the New button, and it'll create your new combination state. You can right click on it from the tabs down at the bottom of the screen if you have them visible, and choose Redefine, and then pick what you want from these different choices. For example, just selecting what I want to use from these different controls. That's good. Let's go ahead and click OK. And there is my additional combination state. So what do we use combination states for? There are two main different uses for them. One of them is for simplifying the process of creating a drawing. For example, let me go over to a drawing that I have started here. And if I want to create a new view, I can right mouse click and hold and choose General View. And here it asks me if I want to select a combined state. And so I could choose that assemble combined state that I previously defined, and then locate my drawing somewhere on the view. Let's change the scale to make it a little bit bigger so that you can see it. And there we have our combined state on the screen. Another main use of combination states is with model-based definition. So here you see in this part, there are a number of different tabs over here that have combination states that facilitate the documentation of these different 3D annotations on the screen. So they use different appearance states, sometimes layer states, etc. If you have your combination states in the model from the View Manager, you can specify whether those are published for viewables. For example, this particular model I have published. If I go to Creo View, you can see that we have our different combination states available from the Viewables tab, and that way I can quickly and easily switch between them for viewing the model. For setting up for model-based definition for your different combination states, one resource that can help you is Mil Standard 31000A, where they've got great information that you could use to set up your own default templates for having different predefined combination states. For example, here is my default start part that has my different combination states based off the Mil Standard 31000 schema. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more information, please visit www.creowindchill.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to be informed when new videos are uploaded. Thank you very much.